question, how do I not find myself among those who leave the path, and how to help the other friends?
By this mutual protection, each will help his friend. I help you today, you help me tomorrow. So we need to have the feeling of arvut, of mutual guarantee, like in a boat. We're all in a boat in a stormy sea, and the Creator is steering up the storm on purpose, so we would feel that we depend on one another and on the boat. And even through that stormy sea, we are in adhesion with the Creator. Since we need to understand that our adhesion in Him is through this storm, that He is that He is stirring up on purpose, and we are grateful to Him for this storm, or otherwise we would not connect among ourselves, and we would not connect to Him, since what is working on us, on our ego, which is our nature, is this storm that we can feel in our lives. And that's why we are grateful to the Creator for taking us through these torments, and we're willing to suffer as long as we get corrected. Otherwise, our ego will not listen. That's the path. We accept Him and we thank Him. Turkey 3.
Dear Rav, a question from my 10. As we move forward with faith,
Dear Rav, question from the 10. The more we advance in faith above reason, will the evil inclination put greater obstacles in front of us?
And happily, despite all the obstacles.
Yes.
And is there a state where a person can advance faster and joyfully above all the obstacles?
This has to do with the degree of adhesion he has in the group, and in the study, and possibly in dissemination. It's very important in our time. So it might depend on that as well. The more he has a disposition towards the 10's internality, and the more he is aimed outside of the 10 towards the correction of humanity, the general correction. These things help a person greatly. That's why Baal Sulam and Rabash and other Kabbalists as well, they all spoke on the importance of dissemination. Dissemination inside the group and dissemination outside of it.